Hello and welcome to our channel, where we talk about different ways to become a master of your finances. Our topic for today's video is extreme frugal budgeting, life on $500 a month. Living on such a little budget can be difficult, but it is possible to make it work with careful preparation and economical practices. When you commit to living a lifestyle that does not exceed your income, you make a significant difference in gaining debt freedom, saving more money, and achieving financial independence. Let's get started and have a look at 6 ways to live on $500 a month. Number 6. Go for cheap housing. If you're living on $500 per month, the first area to look for cost savings is in your home. Can you downsize to a smaller apartment or house if you're renting? Can you decrease or refinance your mortgage if you own your home? You can also think about moving to a cheaper location. Small cities or towns usually have lower rents. If you can't move due to your job or other commitments, you can negotiate a reduced monthly rent with your landlord. You can save a significant amount depending on your negotiating abilities. If you're having trouble affording your present housing rates, consider finding a roommate with whom you can split the expenditures. This can be an excellent method to cut costs without having to relocate or downsize. Another way is to apply for an assistance program. Most countries provide a variety of government assistance programs for persons who need aid affording housing. You can apply for those programs and save some money on housing. Number 5. Reduce your groceries expenses. When you are living on a tight monthly budget of $500, you need to cut down your groceries expenses. There are several approaches to this. To begin, consider meal planning and cooking at home more frequently. Cooking at home is an excellent method to save money on groceries. Plan your meals ahead of time, shop in bulk, and prepare large batches of food that can be frozen for later use. You can also use coupons and discounts when purchasing groceries, clothing, and other necessities. Before making a purchase, look for bargains and discounts online. Signing up for a loyalty program can also save you some money on groceries. Most grocery stores have free-to-join loyalty programs. Signing up entitles you to member-only discounts that are deducted instantly at checkout. No need to clip coupons. You can also look for sales in grocery stores. When you go to the grocery store without a list, it's natural to buy stuff you don't need. Even if you have a list, it can be difficult to stick to it if you bring your children or shop on an empty stomach. Make a list and stick to it the next time you go grocery shopping to avoid increasing your expenditure unknowingly. You might also consider eating beforehand or leaving the kids at home to avoid impulse shopping. Number 4. Reduce your expenses on utility bills. When not in use, make sure to turn off lights and electronics. To save money on your utility bills, choose energy-efficient light bulbs and appliances. You can perform an energy audit on your house. An audit can assist you in determining how much energy your property consumes, where energy is lost, and how to prevent it. You can also call your distribution firm, which monitors the historical and real-time data from your electric meter. They can keep track of your energy consumption for you. You can also replace old equipment with more energy-efficient models. Simple items like a malfunctioning thermostat, a dirty furnace filter, a motor that has to be tuned up, or a refrigerator with a bad door seal can drastically increase your usage. In your home, use LED lamps and fixtures. They can save up to 80% more energy than incandescent lighting. Switch off any lights that aren't absolutely necessary. 2 100-watt incandescent lights turned off for an additional 2 hours every day might save you tens of dollars over the course of a year. Laundry should be washed in cold water. Switching from hot to cold water will significantly reduce your electricity expenditure. Number 3. Cut entertainment expenses. When you're on a tight budget of $500 a month, you have to get creative with your entertainment. Entertainment expenses may sound insignificant to some of you, but if you take a deeper look, you will find you actually spend a lot on entertainment. To cut down on these expenses, you can search for free events and activities in your neighborhood, such as community festivals, movie nights, and park events. Instead of buying books and videos, borrow them from your local library. If you have subscriptions to entertainment services, you can look for several price possibilities for the services you already have. Reduce your internet and cable rates either by negotiating or changing the providers, lowering your services, or bundling the two. Buying used televisions, tablets, computers, movies, and video games can also save you a lot of money. Browse at thrift stores and used bookstores, and look for reconditioned electronics at the big stores. Share the cost of a paid membership with a friend or a family member. Amazon Prime memberships, for example, cost about $100 per year, but subscribers may share benefits with another person for free by forming an Amazon household account. As you are sharing, this allows both parties access to free movie and TV streaming, Prime shipping, and Kindle books at half the price. Number 2, don't spend a lot on clothes. Another strategy to save money and make both ends meet on $500 a month is to limit your clothes budget. You can accomplish this by shopping at thrift stores, consignment businesses, or online. Couponing and waiting for deals are other ways to save money. An effective way to cut down on your expenses on clothes is to shop at the end of the season sale. Have you ever noticed how spring and summer clothing goes on sale in June or July? Maybe autumn and winter clothing in January? The reason for this is that the businesses must sell the stuff in order to make way for the items for the following season. If you time it properly, you can get current season clothing at great savings. Some of the ways to not spend a lot of money on clothes are to not go for the big brands, but buy generic brands, use coupons and promo codes, upcycle and mend your old clothes, buy and sell used clothes, and wash your clothes with care so that you can use these for a long time. Number 1, live a simple life. Living a simple life is one of the best strategies to live on a monthly budget of $500. This means you should prioritize your needs over your wants. You might also try to save money by downsizing to a smaller living place, such as an apartment or a studio. Moreover, you can eat simple and wear simple. Making your own items is one of the most effective ways to save money. This can help you save money on living expenditures by allowing you to make your own clothes or meals. You can even try making your own items like soap or shampoo. A simpler life may also involve living off the grid. This can help you save money on living expenditures by living in a more rural area, for example. You can also experiment with living off the grid by utilizing alternative energy sources such as solar electricity. You might also try growing your own food. This can help you save money on your living expenses by lowering your grocery bill, for example. You can even try your hand at growing your own food by creating a garden or raising poultry. Simpler life also entails simple eating. You can make a list of easy meals that are healthy, frugal, and freeze well. Few ingredients, quick preparation time. Moreover, don't buy snacks, except fruit and nuts, and avoid buying drinks and sodas. Living on $500 a month can be challenging, but with these tips, you can make it work. In conclusion, extreme frugal budgeting is a lifestyle that requires a lot of dedication, discipline, and sacrifice. Living on $500 a month can be very challenging, but it is not impossible. The individuals who adopt this way of living are often motivated by their desire to save money, pay off debts, or achieve financial independence. Through our exploration of extreme frugal budgeting in this video, we have seen that it is possible to reduce expenses and live on a tight budget without sacrificing the necessities of life. The strategies and tips discussed in this video, such as grocery planning, minimizing housing costs, and finding alternative sources of entertainment, can help anyone looking to live on a tight budget. Overall, extreme frugal budgeting is a lifestyle that can be very rewarding for those who are willing to make the necessary sacrifices. It is not a one-size-fits-all solution, but it can be a powerful tool for anyone looking to take control of their finances and achieve their financial goals. So, what are you waiting for? Start implementing these tips today and see how much money you can save.